At the waste management plant in Minsk, Belarus, waste from the neighborhood is processed. In the Presona LP100 CH4, 40 tons an hour of waste is processed, gaining a bale density of over 1 ton per cubic meter. At Sverek in Mölndal, the facility of the balers is of the utmost importance. Here, several different materials are compacted, and it is vital that the balers can be adjusted quickly and simply. Using Presona's Quick Select program, this is possible with a simple press of a button. Reliability and dependability are quite simply vital at the plant in Värnamo. The plant produces corrugated cardboard boxes around the clock. The waste handling system simply must work. A breakdown could threaten the entire factory's production capacity. Sorted and baled waste should be seen as a resource and not as a problem. A lot of material, which was earlier seen as worthless and expensive to get rid of, can be recycled and used in new products. Sorted and unsorted waste can also be used as fuel in energy and heat generating systems. AB Svenska Returpack is responsible for the Swedish deposit system for aluminium cans and recyclable PET bottles. The deposit system for cans started in 1984 and for recyclable bottles in 1994. Returpack's task is to educate about the deposit system, administer the program, and coordinate the return of deposit packages so that every part of the system works. In the factory, which is situated in Norrköping, all of Sweden's recyclable aluminium cans and PET bottles are collected. There they are sorted, counted, and baled for further transport to the recycling company. The recovered cans are then reused in the manufacture of plate of new cans. The PET material is used to manufacture new PET bottles. The factory, which was built in 2003, handles just over 900 million cans and 400 million PET bottles annually. In order to deal with this flow, the plant is equipped with 6 fully automatic balers from Presona in sizes varying from 40 to 100 tons press force. There are also 2 Presona perforators for mechanical perforation of PET bottles, a guarantee for obtaining maximum bale weight. Bale weight for perforated PET bottles pressed in an LP80 VHK is approximately 400 kg per cubic meter, which gives optimum loading capacity for a trailer or a container. At Afhav in Fredrikssund, Denmark, newspapers, magazines and corrugated cardboard are processed. The material arrives irregularly, making it necessary for the baler to process a large volume in a short time. Presona's baler LP100 CH4 can deal with up to 600 cubic meters an hour. The bales can be wrapped in plastic, which means they can be stored outside, thus reducing demands on storage space. Plastic wrapping even leads to a more rational management of waste at the plant and during transport. The Alba Kunststoffvertung factory, about 100 kilometers from Berlin, they have specialized in compacting plastics. Alba's LP80 VHK has all the functions necessary for processing different plastic products. The machine is equipped with, among other things, cross-strapping and a perforator that can handle up to 100,000 bottles an hour. At Sydotervinning in Malmö, the tempo is high. The plant runs two of the largest balers made by Presona, model LP100DH4. These workhorses bale 70,000 tons material a year. IL Recycling Partner AB sells recycled paper to paper mills in Sweden. The company has 14 recycling plants in Sweden and a smaller number abroad. Over 20 years ago, Presona and IL in Örebro began cooperation when the first baler was installed. In October 2005, IL opened its new recycling plant in Örebro, built to deal with more than 150,000 tons per year of recycling paper and plastics from households, industry and trade. The factory is equipped with the best sorting and baling technology available on the market today. The continuously increasing proportion of plastic was one factor that persuaded IL to choose Presona's pre-press technology again, providing a considerably higher capacity when baling plastic materials compared to many traditional shear baler systems. A baler with pre-press technology also produces significantly heavier bales when pressing plastic. Two new balers were purchased for the plant, one LP100DH4S and one LP140XH2S, with a feed opening of 1,100 times 2,200 millimeters. This giant presses everything from cardboard to shredded industrial waste and produces up to 50 tons or over 800 cubic meters per hour.